It's crazy how much they look just like real eyebrows. Hey everybody, it's Ivy, and today I'm talking about this new product. I seen a few reviews on it on YouTube and I was really intrigued to pick it up. It's unlike anything I've ever seen before. I don't know if you guys have seen it, I don't know. But it's this eyebrow product and it comes from an Asian website. It's called Really Eyebrow Extension, right? And it's a whole little system. So I ordered this about 2 weeks ago and it just now came. So it takes a little bit of time to ship, and I believe it comes in 2 colors. Don't quote me though, I'm not sure. But I have the color black. Comes with a little brush and it pops back there and it opens down here. What the product is kind of like little individual hairs inside of like an eyebrow gel. It doesn't look like anything's in my eyebrows. It looks like I have natural, fresh, arch eyebrows. Now I know you are ready to see how I did it, so let's get started. First, I'm just gonna brush my brow in place, like, you know, where I like my eyebrow to go. And this one is my natural brow. It's nothing on it. I actually started on the tail part of my eyebrow. So I'm just gonna dip it in here, and don't dip a whole lot. You just wanna get a little bit, like literally the smallest amount. I'm kind of just like patting and rubbing it on. And this does take some patience, okay? It's not gonna be immediate like it is with like an eyebrow pencil or something. You can see the hairs. You kind of just want to and you see how kind of like how I'm placing the hairs. I'm not really like dragging it along, because that's what it's like, individual hairs you need to place. And don't worry about it looking like shiny. It dries down. It looks really natural. And you can see it starting to like feel out already, but it is a process. It's definitely a process, but it's worth it. Basically, you want to manipulate the little hairs around until you get a fuller look. That's pretty much how you put this on. And an easy way to apply it, I kind of just like tap and drag. I let it kind of, the hairs like kind of attach to my own. See how like full and natural my eyebrow looks? Like, what? It looks like my own hair. So now I'm gonna start like moving towards the front. Can you guys see the difference? Like, to me, it looks like my eyebrow just grew. Like, this stuff is sick. Okay, one thing you don't want to do, what I just did, I'm messing it up now. You don't want to apply too many at once. I was trying to be lazy just then. And if you need to apply more hairs, you guys, you want to give it a chance to kind of dry a little bit. Just go ahead and go to another section, because if you keep trying to apply more hair in the same spot, it'll just like mess it up. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back to my tail and add a little bit more, just to make the tail a little bit thicker. Okay, you guys, so I have completed my brow, and I'm just gonna let it dry down for a few minutes. After using your product, you want to immediately close it, because it is like a drying gel. And if you notice there's some hairs out of place, you could just take a tweezer and kind of, you know, manipulate it a bit, just so it can have that perfect shape that you want. See how all the little hairs are going in like different directions? You want to place the hairs in the direction that your natural hairs are growing. Okay, guys, so once it's completely dried down, they don't move. It's like it dries down to like, I don't know, they're firm, no flaking. This is crazy. So to get that crisp, just arch look, you want to go in with some concealer. Now this step is optional. You could just leave them like this. You honestly could leave it just like this because it looks so good, but you know, I like a little crispy. I'm gonna use my NARS concealer in Amande. And when you're doing this, you want to use concealer that's lighter than your skin but not too white, not too stark. Now you want to take a blending brush and go ahead and blend it out. And I'm going to tap into some of my face powder just to get a seamless blend. Okay, you guys, so these are the end results. And they look completely natural. It looks like I just got a fresh eyebrow wax. I'm so amazed by this product. Wow. It's crazy how much they look just like real eyebrows. Now, I believe this is waterproof. I'm not sure about taking it off just yet, so I think I'll do another video or just update you guys in the comments, you know, how it is taking it off. But I'm pretty sure you can use just like soap and water or makeup remover and it'll come off. I think even men can use this. I think men will be able to like put it in the sparse areas, like in their mustache or beard. This is my bad eyebrow. This one was completely sparse and this stuff just made it look so good. I wasn't even expecting this product to work. You know how you'll see like a popular YouTuber using an item and you'll think like, oh, that's a gimmick, like that's not gonna work, but it really works. I don't know how this will hold up when you start like sweating. I'm pretty sure it won't move around though, because it's like, it feels like literally bulletproof. It almost feels like I sprayed spritz in my eyebrows, kind of like. These bad boys aren't going anywhere. So if you are interested in this product, make sure you check the description bar below. Links and everything will be down there. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to thumb up this video if you like my makeup reviews. Comment below and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.